We are going to install an XPT clutch cover today. This is the new clutch cover. We'll get it out of the package here. Got a nice little Ziploc bag so you can keep your old cover if you ever decide you want it again. Here's the new lighter weight cover for your XTP. We've already removed the original clutch cover, so we will show you how to install this one. Okay, the installation of this clutch cover. As you can see, the clutch cover, the main clutch cover of the whole machine has been removed already. We've already taken off the old clutch cover of the primary clutch, and now we are going to install the new Ibexx clutch cover. We've got your spring that goes on there, and you've got this little washer that also goes on there, and then this has little nubbins. These nubbins go towards the clutch. The places where it's been, these are where the bolts go in, where it's been countersunk. So we will slide it on now. Just line up your bolt holes. Push the clutch in nicely on the shaft. Start your bolts. Sometimes the first one can be just a little bit difficult because this sheave is loose at that point. It needs to be held towards it in order to get them started. So you might want to have somebody help hold to get the first bolt started. Now that we have all the bolts started, you're going to want to tighten them very evenly all the way around, because otherwise if you go and try and tighten one bolt, it's going to bind the clutch cover on the shaft, and you will have nothing but nightmares after that. Got all of the bolts tightened evenly around there. I'm just going to snug them up with a gun. I would recommend that you use the torque spec of the machine for doing this. When you turn the clutch, only rotate it forward. These engines do not like to have their clutches rotated in a reverse direction. And just as simple as that, you are ready to go.